What is your favorite thing about traveling so far?
Being able to see new places.
Yeah.
Spending time with my family and
That's
and
your
having
favorite?
fun.
That's your favorite thing about traveling?
I like traveling.
Why do you like traveling?
I like to travel to add a new campsite.
You like going to new campsites?
Yeah.
What do you like to do with the new campsites?
I can play with my dump truck at a new campsite.
So what has been your favorite place we've seen so far?
That is really hard. Tallulah Gorge.
Tallulah was your favorite out of all the places we've been?
Well, I mean, Canyon City is on there. It's just that it's hard because we've been to so many new, like, cool places. But I think Tallulah Gorge beats it all.
Really? So was that just your favorite place we went, or was that your favorite place we stayed?
That's the favorite place we've stayed.
For like over the night or
Yeah.
like any
is your-
day.
No, your favorite place we've stayed at.
Like for over
Camp.
the night.
Yeah.
I don't know many places that we've stayed at for only like one
No,
day.
we've stayed at for a week, we've stayed at for 2 days, 3 days, anything. Yeah. What was your favorite place that you loved where we stayed?
Park.
That was your favorite? Why?
Because there's like a river and we can go in the tubes and play in it.
Very cool.
And there's a little shallow place that we can go in.
But you can play in the water? Very cool. Thanks, Megan.
Look at me.
Oh, come on, Cole. What has been your favorite campsite? Which one was your favorite?
One have dirt.
The big dirt track?
Yeah.
With the one where you're doing the high jumps?
Yeah.
That was your favorite place?
No, it's to get my dump truck all smoking with my dump truck has some dirt at there.
So is this your favorite campsite right now?
Yes.
Okay. What is your favorite place that we've been to explore?
It's really hard. Silver Falls.
What'd you say?
Silver Falls.
That was your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Why was that your favorite?
Because there was so many falls and they were really pretty.
And you got to do what?
We got to walk behind them.
Get out of the way.
Go.
The favorite place that we went and like sightseeing and stuff like that, it was the Devil's Churn, where we saw the cool tide pools and all the anemones and starfish.
Yeah, that was really cool. Well, we saw a lot of the anemones and starfish at Seal Rock.
That's true.
We saw more there, so maybe just that time when we were on the coast.
Yeah, when we were on the coast, that was my favorite place.
Anything else you want to add? So if you could tell someone who's going on the road, somebody your age, which you're 10, so somewhere around 10, what you would need to make sure you bring? What would be your number one thing you would suggest another kid to bring?
If you're going somewhere really cool, I would suggest bringing a little notebook. Like if you're into drawing, you could draw where you've been if you really like it, because that's what I always do is I just bring a little notebook like this big and I just bring a pencil and then I just draw like when we went to Red Rock Canyon, I brought my little notebook and my camera. So I took pictures when we got to see like the whole place, and it was like you could see every single rock and everything there. So I just drew that, and I mean, like anything else that I would suggest is not really anything else. Like, I don't really have anything else.
What is one piece of advice you would give to another kid for traveling? Anything, like
Anything at all.
yeah.
The one piece of advice I would give to them, it's very hard. I mean, if they have siblings, just be patient with them, obviously. But if you're just an only child, just enjoy the journey. Be sure to enjoy and be thankful for everywhere you're going. I'm actually, like, you should think to yourself, well, most kids don't get to do this, so I'm getting to do something very special that I bet most kids would probably want to do and go see, like, anywhere. I mean, that's what's cool about it. You go see places, like, we travel almost every week, so we see new places every week. But if you're traveling every day, you get to see new things. You learn something every day. That's what's cool about it. My 1 or 2 pieces of advice.
That's great advice. I think another would be ready for change.
Be ready for change. Yeah.
When we first started this journey, you were having a very hard time with change. If you had your mind set that we were going to do this,
and you just
and then we had to change it for whatever reason.
Changing plans, like
yeah, you've been very, very flexible.
Flexible, yeah.
Flexible.
So
Cool. Thanks,
yeah,
Sam. And what is one thing that you have to have when you travel?
Toys.
Toys?
Yes.
You don't want to give up any of your toys?
No. It's so big. All my toys.
All your toys?
Not mine. That's Kai's.
Kai's toys?
Yeah, choose share is donate a little bit. That's a little bit Kai's toys.
Oh, you're going to donate some of Kai's toys?
Yeah.
Or you're going to donate some of your toys to Kai?
Yes.
Like the trains, right?
Yeah.
You shared the trains with Kai?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay,
And
baby.
he have a kitchen thing.
Mm-hmm.
I want to go to Kai's house.
You want to go to Kai's house? You miss him?